Hindi ko inaalis ang aking sarili to be actively participating in different organizations. So join this organization that will help you grow personally and professionally. Participate in seminars, conferences, training programs, and community activities. Build meaningful professional relationships. Learn from experienced mentors and someday become mentors of yourself. Remember, success is not only about building a career, it is also about building a profession, serving your community, and helping others succeed. At kapag dumating ang panahon na babalikan ninyo ang paaralan ng pinagmulan ng makuha, ito bilang mga matagumpay na profesional, negosyante o leader ng inyong komunidad. Sana may pagmalaki ninyong sabihin, I work hard, I persevere, I trust in God, and He was faithful every step of my way. Congratulations to all of you graduates, 26. May God bless your dreams, guide your journey, strengthen your faith, and fill your future with purpose, joy, and hope. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations once again. And may God bless us all. At sabay-sabay natin isigaw at sambihin, Viva Mapua! Viva Mapua! Viva Mapua!
We invite the son and grandson of Engineer Manuel M. Paulino to join him on stage for the presentation of a testimonial of appreciation.